Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Dodge Dart wiper blades. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. First, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver and your new wiper blades. Make sure you have the correct size blades for your vehicle, typically 26 inches for the driver's side and 17 inches for the passenger's side. Park your car safely and turn off the engine. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, find the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Once removed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down to prevent any damage to your windshield. Installing the new wiper blades is just as simple. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Dodge Dart, ensuring both are firmly in place before proceeding. Finally, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your car and spray some water onto the windshield using your washer fluid. Observe the new blades as they operate. They should clear the glass smoothly and quietly, without leaving any streaks. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. Always use quality wiper fluid for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.